I also do. So last class we started integration, right? And we did the configuration and we did assign a GL account. We up to date we did, right? Accounts for automating, and then made a range for document or the document number range. Okay. So where we can maintain the document number range, OBA7, right? OBA7, there we will go and we can maintain the RV document type. RV is invoice verification, RV for this one. Against, so we can raise the bill against the customer, no? So that time system will take the RV document type. I mean, it is not getting charged. Give me 1 minute. I'll charge the other one. What is this? OBS. Billing means customer billing. Okay, so that is the reason. So we first we take the order from the customer, then we can give the delivery to the customer. Then after that, after delivery of the goods, we'll send the invoice verification note to him. Like we get the invoice verification note from the vendor, right? So we can send the invoice verification note, then we can raise the bill, right? So finally, we'll raise the bill against the customer, means customer is going to debit here, right? That time system will use this RB document type. So company code, what is number range? Sorry, I didn't check. 48. Okay. Now, yes, now I can ready to create I did everything, all the configuration, right? And I create a customer master also. I created the finished goods master also, everything I created, right? So now I can ready to create the, oh, sorry, I didn't create a customer master, right? Did I create?
Didn't, madam.
Oh, okay, fine. Okay, fine. So let us create the customer master in XD01. Okay. We create the customer master where in the when case in the accounts receivable. The same way we have to create this customer account group where I selected, where I created at the time of accounts receivable. Okay. Then change the company code. Okay. Now we created that time FI customer. So for them, no need to give sales organization, distribution channel, division. But for SD customers, so we have to, these SD customers who will create SD users. FI customers will be used, can be created by the FI people. So FI people, they don't create all, they don't give all these things because he's the FI customer. In case of SD customer, we have to maintain all these things. What is that? N16 is, right? Distribution channel, N1, I think, right? Division N1, is it? Yeah. Okay. I am just giving like this. Such term also N16. Okay, and country. Here go for company code data. As usual, we should assign the reconciliation account. Okay. Data's sort key. Okay. And next payment transaction. This is as usual. Okay. Next sales area data. Here okay, here customer pricing procedure. So here I am giving 1. So do you remember at the time of VKOA, I assigned the 3 lakhs 5 GL account. Okay, there also have given 1. Let me take screenshot so that you can understand. VKOA there, where this is a screen where we can integrate the FI with the SD. Customer here. Accounts. Organization. Not here. Here, so here 3 lakhs for GL account I assign. Okay, so for particular customer I want to use 3 lakhs 5. For another customer I want to use 3 lakhs 10. How system will come to know? Here, so for domestic customers I want to use 3 lakhs 5. So for foreign customers I want to use 3 lakhs 10. How you can differentiate them? How you can tell the system? By here what I'm giving, 01 here I am giving domestic customer 01, and by giving the 01 I assign the 3 lakhs for GL account. The same 01, okay, here where I am giving customer most also. Here I should give domestic 01. Here also I am giving 1. So that system will use what? 3 lakhs for GL account. Okay, so that is the reason I saved this so that this one. Okay. Next, this is to determine that next. No, 1 second. No, sorry. This is the standard one. Okay, this is standard. This is for 1 second. Do you remember we assigned the pricing procedure for the sales organization? 1 second. Take a screenshot. I will go for SPR. I don't remember this. This one is for to determine the pricing procedure. Sorry, not for GL account. So we assign the RVAA01 pricing procedure for who? For the sales organization. SD. Basic functions. This is our pricing procedure. And right, this pricing procedure, there we assign that define customer pricing procedure RVAA01 for document. Define pricing procedure determine. Here, sales organization. Okay, this is the screen. Here, this RV what is pricing procedure? There and some condition procedure as they can the price. Okay, so here RV01. Okay, I asked the sales organization channel division. Also, I have given customer pricing procedure. How system will for this? This is the different customer. I want to use a different pricing procedure. How system will come to know? Here I have given the standard pricing procedure, and also in the customer module creation, there also I have given the. Here also I am giving the standard customer pricing procedure. So here is one, and where one more screen, here is also one. So system will take the AA01 pricing procedure for this customer. Understood? Any doubts, please?
No, madam.
Okay, so this also I'll take the screenshot. So that. Okay. Next. So next, okay, that is for to determine the pricing procedure. Next, go for shipping. Here, this one, delivery priority, give normal, okay. Ship conditions as soon as possible. Plant, okay. Then here nothing. Next, billing document. Here, Incoterms means delivery terms. From where? EXW means from plant. Incoterm means delivery terms. Okay. And here, yeah, UTXJ. Just give the tax category. Liable for tax. Okay. Then here, account assignment group. Here, domestic. For this customer, what is the sales GL account you want update? Okay, so here I have taken the screen. Here, this one. For this customer, when you sold the product, which GL account you want to update? 3 lakhs 5. How system will come to know? Here I have given account assignment group 01. Okay, here also account assignment group 01. Okay, so here 01 and here also 01. System for him, whenever we sold, what is the GL account is going to update 3 lakhs for GL. Okay, that is for to determine the GL account. So first we have given no here. Here, this is for to determine the pricing procedure for him, and this is to determine the GL account for this customer. Okay, and next, yeah. Partner functions. We assign the partner functions. Make sure that in the partner functions tab, these partner functions should be there, because I created this customer by using the account group, customer account group. For the customer account group, in the last session, I assigned all the partner functions. Okay, so when I create the customer master with reference to customer account group, so make sure that it should be all partner functions should be assigned here. Okay, fine. So I did everything. Yes, save it. Next, okay, so customer master also, and then I have to the finished product, final product is. So I have to create the master groups master with MM01. Goods, okay, industrial and chemical finished goods. Okay, here selection levels. So select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. Account 1. Costing. These are all there. So I'm just selecting that will get the special symbol. That's it. 1, 6. N16P, N16S, N16S, N1. Finished goods, basic unit measurement, okay, kg, okay, I mean how we can measure the group, and division, we created division, right? Steel division. Okay, and gross weight. If you look at any package, okay, so if the gross weight is 100, okay, what is the net weight? 0.9. So if your gross weight is 1 kg, so net weight is 99 grams. So that also we have to mention. And not right here. Okay, then go for here. Just give okay, liable for tax. Just give that tax liable, and sales area data to account assignment group. Here, when I sold this product, how system will come to know? Okay, I am selling this product for the one customer. How system will come to know whenever I sold this product, which GL account you want to update? Here I am giving 03 finished goods. I will show you screen that. VKOA is 3 lakhs by account assignment group 03. Here in the VKOA screen, I given 3 lakhs by GL. Here also I am giving 3. Whenever system 3 lakhs by giving 03 here also. Okay. Then to here availability check. Check means suppose people maintain some planning availability of the stock. So if they maintain any planning, so the planning is there. If they any availability of the stock planning details, so here SD guys they will give KP no check. This is about availability of the stock planning. If they are not maintaining any planning, just give no planning. Transportation group, container, okay, loading group, manual, okay, and MRP1, MRP. Suppose here also they are maintaining any planning on the MRP. So we have to give the planning details. Okay, so otherwise, then there is no planning means just give ND means no planning. Okay, fine. Next, accounting 1. Is not required. This is for I am going to give valuation class. What is the valuation class for this? Finished valuation class. Remember, OYC class what I sent for the GL account and 16. Yeah, finished goods. Suppose this is my finished product. So I will take this finished plant. Okay, 1000 kgs of finished product is available in the factory or the plant. So whatever the physically available, that 1000 kgs of product, that should give the enter in the system, right? So you have to take the production in the system. Okay, so you are taking production from the plant. So you are going, the end user is going to enter that 1000 kgs in the SAP system. Okay, so whenever he is giving entry, system should update the GL account. How? Here I have given N162 validation class. So do you remember in the OBYC screen for validation class N162, I assign the 2 lakhs 121 GL account. Whenever I receive the finished goods from the plant, finished goods is going to debit. How? By taking this N162. This is for to determine the GL account from OBYC. Okay. And in case of raw material master creation, I have given N161, right? So here this is finished product. So N162. This is the final product. So obviously we maintain them at the standard price. In case of material, we can use the market price, means moving average price, because whenever there are changes in the market, so our materials price also get changed. So here standard price. So this is our final product. We can fix this for we can fix the price. So price control is standard, and here I am giving per kg to produce this or to manufacture this product, how much cost it incurred for me? 200 per kg. Okay, save it. Oh, sorry. How to enter this cost in details? The cost tab is, if I change, there is a problem in this one. Okay, I have to create one more. So in one tab, origin that also. Okay, leave it. Let me create one more. Remember, this is finished goods one. Okay, let me remember. This is now our this product is FG1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and 6. Up to here I entered. So costing one time, there I have to give the steel profit center and I have to select material origin. So 2 things I should do. I forgot that. If I want to change, it will not allow. That is a problem here. Okay, and then right. So this is, I'll enter this. Okay. And here, okay, these are all common. 1 second. Okay, go for Sales one. Here, account assignment group. Availability check, no check, transportation, container and loading group, manual. Okay, next. MRP planning. If there is no planning ending, here plant data, valuation class. Sorry, this is not this one. This is not required. Pointing one, we should do this valuation class to update the 2,120,000 whenever you take in the finished goods from the plant. So this standard price and this is how much 200 rupees. I fix the cost for this product. Then this 200 should update my profit center whenever I sold it. Okay, so it should update my profit center and also should update the CO also. I should select these two, otherwise system will not update your CO and the FI because this is where they are creating here. So make sure these valuation class and if I don't assign, okay, save it. System will throw the error. Okay, I create N16 finished goods one. Next, what I have to do now? VK11. VK11. So SD guys, okay, production department people, they fix the cost how much? Cage per 200, right? So now SD guys, by using this PR00 condition type, okay, they will maintain price for this, okay? Material with release status, enter. So here N16 N16 space finished goods one. This is our final product. For this, they are going to fix the price for 100 rupees. Okay. So cost is 200. They are fixing the price 500. Under where? By using the condition type PR00. PR00 is the condition type. Okay. Price condition type. Okay. So then, fine. Next. Yes, we are ready to create the sales order and we also ready to deliver the goods and also we can raise the bill against the customer. We can do all these things, but I will not do that right now because we have one more submodel that is COPA, I told you. Okay, COPA, this only this is the part of CO only, that is one submodel. So COPA, actually we use, that is only for reporting tool where I can see only profitability. Okay, profitability of, suppose you want to see the profitability on different characteristics. I want to see the profitability on customer wise, or I want to see the profitability on company code wise, employee wise, sales organization wise. This all you can see through COPA reporting tool. Okay, so what I do, suppose I will stop this doing testing here because first I go to COPA submodel. There I can do the configuration. Then what I do, and COPA is not only for to see the profitability, and before that I can make my planning in the COPA reporting tool. Make planning means, suppose I was expecting 800 rupees sales. Okay, but whenever I get the actuals 500 sales, it will automatically update the COPA. So I can compare the actual profit, and also I can compare how much I was expecting, how much I got, what was the actual profit, what was the expecting profit. So COPA, first I do the configuration, then I can start doing configuration. For the same N16 finished goods one, I am expecting sales for 2 lakhs rupees, say for example. There I can enter my planning. Okay, so actuals will come. Actuals means I can do the sales order creation. So this automatically SD guys, whatever they do, it automatically update the COPA. In COPA, I already maintain my planning details. Whenever SD guys, they did the actual sales, this actual sales automatically will update the COPA. So then they can see how much profitability I was expecting first. What is the actual profit? What is the difference? So COPA is not only for to see the profitability. Remember, I'm telling, we can see the actual profitability, and also we can able to compare how much I was expecting, how much I got it. So I can compare that. So if COPA is not there, so we are COPA submodel is not there in a client place. They are not using any COPA reporting tool. So what you can do? So I can create the sales order creation right away. I can do everything, but I want to show you with the COPA. First, I'll go to COPA. I'll do the configuration. Then there I can enter my planning profitability. This is the profit I am going to expect. Then whenever the SD guys raise the bill, whatever they did, it automatically update your COPA report, right? So how much profitability I was expecting, how much actual I got, okay? What is the difference? Where is the difference? So that we can see. Understood? Any questions? Why I stopped here? Understood?
Understood, madam.
Okay, fine. So let us do the configuration for COPA. Okay. So profitability COPA is only so COPA. COPA stands for CO stands for controlling, as usual. CO stands for controlling. PA stands for profitability analysis. So why we use COPA? So to see the profitability on different aspects. Your customer wants to see your client wants to see the profitability on different aspects. Like they want to see customer wise, product wise, sales organization wise. Okay. So I can see those profitability on different aspects. And also I told you that I can make my planning before actuals. I can make a planning on this customer. I'm expecting this much profitability. On this product, I'm expecting this much profitability. I can make the planning. Whenever I get the actuals, I can compare with the planning. So I can see the variance. I can analyze where is the variance. So everything it is possible through COPA reporting tool. Okay. So no actual posting. See, in the cost elements, by using the cost centers means their actual posting is going to update. We are posting that, but whereas COPA, no postings will be done here. Wherever the postings happen, suppose PP model, MM model, FI model, from where the actuals, I mean, postings has done, it will go to the product costing. So here the product costing people, they will fix the cost to 100. So from all these PP, MM, FI model, all the cost, where whatever actual posting, then here the cost will go to where product costing. So product costing means what? We can prepare one cost sheet, so they can raw material overheads. So like this, I will show you that later. So then product costing department people, they will fix the cost 200. I show you know for the our product, what is that N16FG1, I fix the cost 200, right? So they, the product costing department, from all these model, whatever the expenditure incurred, so they can fix the cost 200. Then this 200 will go to the SD guys. Now, so they know that what is the cost 200, so they will fix some profit. Then they will fix the price 500. I fix the price 500 rupees, right? Okay, so SD guys, they can fix the price 500 based on how much it is cost. Then these 500, 200, where it will go? It will go to the COPA. So when it will go to the 500, 200, I can see the profitability, how much? 300. And before itself, in the COPA, suppose I was expecting 600 profitability. That is also I can make a plan. Here actually is 300 rupees profit. Before that, I can expect my profitability, say 600 rupees, but I got the 300 profitability. So here, what you can see here, I can see the actual profitability, and also I can compare the 600 profitability, planning profitability. And there I can analyze the where is their problem, what is the variance. I can see that. Okay, so no actual postings will be done in the COPA. Okay, so PP, FI, it will go, all the cost incurred here, it will go to the product costing. There they can fix the cost to 100, then it will go to the SD. So SD guys, they can fix the price for 500, then it will go to the COPA. Okay, so here we have to map finally SD condition types with the COPA value fields. I will show you that. So no actual posting will be done. If I want to show you any COPA report, this integration should be done. Without doing FIMM integration, FI with SD integration, I can't show you in the COPA. The reason, from all the modules, it is going to update the values. So before you to work on the COPA, it's not like cost center internal orders. It is integrated with all the modules. Then only we can work on the COPA submodule. Okay. Next, okay, what is the configuration? So I am telling a COPA is based on the data structure. What is data structure? It's nothing but characteristics plus value fields. What is characteristics? Why I need to create them? What is value fields? Characteristics means on which aspects you want to see the profitability. I want to see the profitability plant wise, product wise, customer wise. So those we can create as a characteristics. Okay, plus value fields. Value fields means how you can find out the profit, how you can revenue, means sales how much, cost of goods sold how much, profit how much. Without these values, can you find out the profit? So these we can create as a value fields in the COPA. Without characteristics, without value field, I can't see the profitability. So data structure means characteristics plus value fields. So characteristics, on which aspects you want to see, those we can create as a characteristics. Value fields we should create here. That is about data structure. First, I have to create the data structure in the COPA. What is that? Characteristics plus value fields. Then what I have to do? SD condition types. PR00 is the condition type. So SD guys, they can maintain the condition type. By using the PR00 condition type, they'll fix the price 500. By using the VPRS condition type, they will fix the cost 200. This 500, 200, it should go to the COPA, right? Right. So here, these PR00, VPRS, these condition types, I have to map with the value fields. Value fields first I have to create. I told you. So here, first I have to create the value fields. Okay, that is like it start with VV0. Okay, VV0. So I'll create a value fields. First I have to create the value fields. Say for example, VV010, VV0140, whatever. These condition type I have to map with the COPA value fields. So that whenever the SD guys, they sold 500 rupees, it will update your COPA value field. So whenever they have received the finished goods cost, so it automatically update your value field in the COPA. How the data is finally moving from SD to COPA, from the all the submodules, it will go to the SD. Now from SD condition types, you have to map with the COPA. Okay, so then only we can able to see that. Okay, next, let me show you. Yeah, how we can prepare the cost sheet here as usual. No? First, raw material. I fix the 200 rupees cost. Product costing department people, they will fix the cost 200. So raw material is okay, and raw material overheads, production cost. Okay, after adding these three, that's we call as a cost of goods manufactured. To manufacture this, exactly how much cost it is incurred, that is called cost of goods manufactured. Then after that, they'll add some administration, sales and distribution, advertisement expenses, everything to sold that product. Okay. After adding these administration, sales and distribution expenses, that we call as a cost of goods sold. Okay, there is a difference between adding these administration, sales and distribution, that is cost of goods manufactured. To manufacture this, how much you cost, that is called cost of goods manufactured. After adding these all administration, sales and distribution expenses, that is cost of goods sold. Okay, so before adding cost of goods manufactured, after selling, cost of goods sold. So these value fields I should create. Okay, so where? In the COPA. So I have to create the value fields. Then only these value fields I can map with the SD condition. I can create 6 value fields like raw material overhead, raw material cost, overheads, product cost. So these are all value fields first I'll create. Then after that I'll map with the why I need to create 6 value fields based on this cost sheet. First I have to create, then these value fields I have to map with the SD condition types. Understood? Any questions here?
No, madam. Understood.
So next, okay, we have controlling area we created in different scenarios. Anybody remember? We can create the controlling area at company code level, or we can create the controlling area at group level. Group level means controlling area. If I create the group level, only one controlling area, under one controlling area, I have 10 company codes. That is group level. I told you one more scenario. Controlling area at company code level means I have 10 company codes, but 10 company codes, I created 10 controlling areas. Remember?
Yes, madam.
Okay. So if I create the controlling area for 10 company codes, 10 controlling areas means what happened, here you have to create the, suppose I created 10 controlling areas for 10 company codes. I create separately 10 because I told you that if 10 company codes activities are different, so we can create the 10 controlling areas for 10 company codes. So each company code is independent. Each controlling area is independent. There is no dependency between them. So obviously, operating concern also we have to create, because there is no relation one-to-one. So we have to create how many controlling areas are there. We have to create the operating concern in the COPA. Okay, suppose I have 10 company codes, but for all 10 company codes are under one controlling area. So above the controlling area, we have to create one operating concern. Understood? So it depends on how many controlling areas you have to create the operating concern. Okay? Any questions in this?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so let me go for first. Start with for structure, define operating concern. Before you create the operating concern, remember, before you create, first we have to create the characteristics plus value. So here I told you almost we have all characteristics by it is available in the system. You almost have standard characteristics, okay? But still, if you want, you can create maintain characteristics. If you want to create your own characteristics, it will start with the WW. WW. Okay, so it will start if you want. Suppose by in the report, by default, you will get all the characteristics. When you see the report, I can select whatever the characteristics you want to see, you can select that. Okay, but still, if you want to create all standard characteristics, SAP has given, like I want to see the profitability on customer wise, product wise, these are all available in the system. You no need to create, but still, if you want to create, which is not there in SAP, means yes, you can create. Suppose employee wise profitability, I want to see that characteristics is not available. Suppose I want to see the profitability branch wise, that characteristics is not available. So we can create our own. Okay, how here, if you want to create your own, it will start with the WW. It will start with WW. Okay, I'll create NEM, employee wise. Just I will show you how to create our own characteristics. Okay, enter. Create. Oh, it is already there. Okay. Let me create one more. Okay, LWW N16. Okay, just like that, I'll create that. Okay, N16, select create. Okay, here. User defined. Enter. Here, employee. Description I'm giving. Okay, data type. Characters. Okay, so WWN16 is the characters. What is the length you have to tell? So length is I'm giving 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 character. Okay, type is characters I used, but 5 is the length of your field is 5 characters. Okay, save it. So like this, we can create our own characteristics. These characteristics you can see in the report actually. Okay. So you have to activate this automatic. I will take another 10 minutes. Okay. Activate. Okay. You have to activate this. Okay. Save. Okay. So like this, you can create our own characteristics. Then what we have to create value fields. Okay. Here, these value fields I have to create. How much quantity, what is the sales amount, revenue, what is the cost, raw material cost, overheads, product cost, cost of goods. So these value fields first I should create in the COPA. Then these value fields I should map with the SD condition type. 6 value fields. So to know the profitability, you should know how much quantity I sold, 20 kgs. How much revenue, say 10,000. Right? So these are all things you should cost. Raw material cost 2,000 rupees. These are all you should come to know, right? So first let them create as a value field, 6 value fields. Go back, then value field. I want to create. Will start so I want 6 fields. No, let me create. I need a set of 6 numbers. So I want to look at them 71, 72, no, available. 50. Created 300, 300, 31, 32, 33, 36. Okay. BV331. That sequence is the 6 values given to 37. Okay. For the in available in a system BV3. Okay. Create change. So this quantity, when this is quantity, select this quantity. This is not amount, quantity. Okay. Activate. Enter. So let me create another 5 also. Create BV332. This is what? Revenue. Okay. Enter. Revenue. This is amount only. Okay. Activate. Then create BV333. Amount, quantity, revenue, then raw material cost. Raw material cost. Amount only. Enter. Raw material cost. Activate. Okay. Next, raw material overheads. Okay. Create. Is it activated? You should activate this, not save. You should activate these value fields. Okay. Create VV334, 334 Raw material cost is over. Raw material overheads. Raw material overheads. Activate. So next, create VB335 overheads, cost of goods manufactured. Cost of goods before adding selling expenses, product cost. Manufacture. Product cost. Manufacture. Next, product cost. Active. Then after adding sales distribution, that is goods sold. Okay. 336. This cost of goods sold. Adding sales and distribution. Of goods sold. Let me say everything. All go. Let's see whether or not. $130 quantity, revenue, raw material cost, raw material overheads, product cost, cost of goods. Okay, these 6 has been created. Okay, I created some characteristics, value fields. Then yes, I am ready to create the data structure. Nothing but I have to create the operating concern. In that operating concern, I have to assign the data structure. I mean, I have to assign these value fields. I have to assign the characteristics under operating concern. It is minimum should be 4. Okay. So N161 I'll create. Okay. Then create. Okay. So write operating concern for N16. Okay. Next, I will show you profitability on both costing based, account based. I will differentiate. See, in India, we'll see both types of profitability. I can see the profitability on FI based, or I can see the profitability on. You can use either or this or that, but I will show you both. Okay, I will show you what is the configuration we required to see the profitability on costing, or I can show you to see the profitability to see the on FI based. Okay, I'll say let me select both these things. Okay, I will show you later where exactly a configuration to see the on costing. What is the configuration on FI? I can show you both configuration. Okay, attributes, operating INR, our physical year. And we have to select. Okay. Company code currency also have to select here. Okay. Yes. Save it. Then come to here, data structure. Again, go for create. Here we have to assign the data structure plus value field. Okay, data structure plus value field. So here I am going to select our data. This is data structure plus value fields, right? So I created my own characteristics. No, what is that? WWN16. Yeah, here. Okay. This you can select your characteristics and value fields. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I assign the characteristics plus value fields. Okay, save it. Okay, then after saving, okay, then go back. Yes. Now okay, it didn't assign. Okay, let me try again. It didn't save it actually. Okay, it didn't save it. Okay, again I'm doing, and here our value fields. VV. Okay, 300 and not this one. 331, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Okay. After that, then save. Okay. Then here after saving, we have activate button. Activate. Okay, so then go back. Yes, now it will take minimum 20 minutes back. That is the reason I wanted to complete today. Otherwise, tomorrow we have to wait for 20 minutes. Okay. So it will take minimum 20 minutes to save this data. Once after 20 minutes, once it is activated, it turn into green color. Okay. So tomorrow we can continue the remain. Okay. And tomorrow I want to take 6 o'clock, please. Is it okay for all of you? Tomorrow morning. Okay. So tomorrow. Okay. Fine. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.